I am Vedant. Currently, I am in a 12th standard and I am preparing for law entrance known as a CLAT. In this virtual competition, my topic is women safety and security in India. I initiate my speech by Charlotte Bronte, a quote by Charlotte Bronte, in which she mentions, I am no more a bird in which net ensnares me. I am a woman with independent will. I think this quote should be embedded in the mind of every citizen of our country and the world. Then only it will lead to progress of the society. Why women? Why always women? I am in a dilemma. We say that women is a goddess. We give the status of goddess to the women. But I think just it's for a mere namesake. In a practical life, we do abuse to that goddess. Don't you think that it is a sham to our society? As days are passing, the situation of women is becoming havoc in the country. It is a mammoth task to enhance the liberal voice of a woman. In our parliament, many laws are passed, many acts are passed, many legislations have been made, but they are just on the paper. We are not using that laws up to the extent in our practical life. For example, Sexual Harassment Act, Medical Termination. We have amended just Medical Termination Amendment Act 1971 to the 2019 Act. We have many provisions in our Act and Parliament, but we have to use that in our practical life. Article 14 of our Indian Constitution says equal before law. All should be equal before law. Equals should be treated equals and unequals should be treated like unequals. But how much we implement this article in our life? Friends, if we implemented this article cent% no, then our Indian society, our Indian country will one of the best democracies in the world, I say. Our constitution is very rigid and sometimes it's flexible in some reasonable restrictions. I quote example of a famous Nobel activist Malala Yousafzai. She is the youngest Nobel laureate in the country of Pakistan and even the world. She is the woman, she is the girl, she is the goddess who worked for the reform in the education of the society. She just stated a word that education should be provided to women and women should study. But the Taliban insurgent group shot her just for this sentence. Then also she woke up with a full energy and in a full avid manner. She worked for the women's reform education in the society. Currently she lives in Birmingham. So see, these are the women's. How we abuse them. How can we forget the Nirbhaya gang rape case of 2013? Nirbhaya, a 13-year-old girl, friends, she was brutally gang raped by the devils which emerged in our society. But at last, the truth prevails, as we know. The Supreme Court has given the decision recently that 4 convicts were hanged. How are the devils? Day by day, our society is producing the devils. Our country has changed from technology to education sector. In industry, we are growing. But why? This still remains a problem. Some 100 years ago, the women used to practice the ritual of sati. Our great reformers like Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, Savitribai Phule, Jyotirba Phule, they work for the woman. They work for the literacy of the woman. They striked for the liberal voice of the woman. But in some or the other form, today even the woman is facing the same abuse. But just the pattern has changed of the abuse. Today, women is facing the abuse like rape, genital mutilation. In Sabrimala case, what happened? In this case, I was shocked when I heard this case that women, because of their physical disturbances, they can't enter the temple. this much superstition in the country like India, which is in a developing phase? Friends, now we are in a modern era. We have to progress in the society. There is a strong relation between the development of a country and a woman. If we enhance the liberal voice of the woman, if we support the woman, then our country will lead to growth. If we treat the woman equally with the men in every sector, be it IT, be it agriculture sector, be it in education sector, be it be scientific sector, all the sectors, women, they are real goddess of our society. This statement will prevail always in my mind. I have much respect to women. I have much respect for women. Feminism should be there. We should support women. We should back them. We should not treat them like a beast. We are currently treating them like a beast, means a wild animal. Why is it so, friends? We live in India, which is a cultural diversity, which is a multilingual languages and whatnot. We have a good education system. Then why this such a nuisance? No, friends, no. We have to treat women in a very liberal way. We have to give them freedom. And we have to work for them. These women, if you give them the work, if you give them the liberal, we should tell them, you work here. We treat them inferior. We always treat them inferior. We tell, after their marriage, you should do household chores. Household chores are made for you. And the men, they work outside. But I think this development of the country is a half without women. So we should prosper women. And I end up my speech by just stating one sentence. Women is the goddess of our world. So we should respect them and treat them as a goddess and develop the country. Thank you.